if you are a YouTuber and you have a channel in YouTube, if you want to increase your views, subscriber, this video is only for you. You watch the full video till end. So let's start the video. Channel or account on UC News, and if you want to know how to create a channel on UC News, you have to see my video. You can see my video. I will give it a link in the description. You can see from there. So I will show you how you can increase by using news. So you have to simply go to your post and you have to post the article or a video on UC News. Like if I will post an article and means any heading like how to increase subscriber and views on YouTube. So if I will like the title like this, and I will add my video, my YouTube video URL, like this is my video, and I will copy the URL and I will simply paste it here, and I will say that it is original, and I will insert it like this. And if my video get viral, like if my video get viral and got more than 30,000 or 40,000 views, and people will click my video, and this will increase my views on YouTube. And if people will click it will open on my page, and people can click subscribe button, and my subscriber will be also increased. So this is the best way to increase the subscribers and views with each step. And if I will show you that how does this works, and my recommendation on my videos on YouTube, if I will go to video analysis and if I will go to history, and this history, you can see my recommendation is 1.50 million, and I have got 87,000 views on my 73 articles only, like videos. And this is a very good analysis of my video, but I have not got very good views on my articles. If you can see my history, it is only 50,000 recommendation and 10,000 views, 9,500 views on my 63 articles. Means videos are very good. If you post the videos and give the link in the description, if it get viral, you can get many views on your video, of a YouTube video. So this is my, I have seen latest technical Guruji latest video that he has said how to grow a YouTube channel. If you wanted to see this video, that video, you can, the link I will give in the description, you can also watch from there. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Aayegi and help me to grow my channel. So thank you guys. Bye guys.